Hi, my name is Farah, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own painkiller at home with just two simple ingredients. And this painkiller really works. The first time I took it, it actually relieved my back pain within the first hour, and it's not just something like it's going to last for like 8 hours. It lasted for like a full 24 hours. So I literally only have to take this at night before I go to bed, and it's keeping my back pain away. And like, I have arthritis in my back. I had 3 cesarean sections, and I was given 3 spinals, and the doctor told me that I would suffer at a young age with a bad back, and I did. I was only 29, and before, my back was so bad that I had to make some changes to help improve my back. And I went all this time before I've discovered this amazing ingredient, which is turmeric. And turmeric is an anti-inflammatory, and that's why it works so well. It also has antibacterial and antiseptic properties as well. It actually improves your brain function and helps with depression. It helps to prevent cancer, and it also boosts your immune system. So it's great to stay healthy with, keeping the flu away during the pandemic and stuff. So it's, like I said, it's just 2 simple ingredients. It's turmeric and milk, and pretty much all you do is you warm up the milk with a cup of milk with a teaspoon of turmeric, and you warm it up into a pot until just before it starts to boil, and then you take it off the pot and you strain it, and you just pour it into your cup, like a teacup, and you drink it like that. Now, I'm going to tell you that it doesn't taste very good. It is gross, but it works so well. I am going to tell you, there is also, like, the turmeric milk, if you were to get it on your clothes, something white is going to stain your clothing like a dark yellow. Not a dark yellow, sorry, like a sunflower yellow. So if you're going to be drinking the turmeric milk, just be careful, because I spilled some on my white tank top and ruined it. I can't get it out. So it's gross, and you have to be careful about, getting it on your clothing. So after I did that and ruined my shirt, I decided to take a turmeric supplement that I could easily buy downtown at any pharmacy. And I was curious to see if it worked as well as the turmeric milk that I made at home. And actually, it did. Now, I picked a high absorbency one with black pepper into it, because black pepper has peppermint into it, and that's what helps turmeric absorb into your body. Also, fat will help absorb the turmeric into your body, so that's why taking it with milk is a good idea, because it helps absorb into your body, and you get the maximum then potency of the curcumin that's inside the turmeric. So if you, like, for me, it was more cost effective for me to buy the capsules, because I was just going to keep ruining my clothes. So I would definitely highly recommend turmeric for any type of inflammation. It also helps to prevent cancer as well, and it's really good for acne, and also it thins your blood. So you do have to be careful with turmeric in taking too much of it, because it is like a natural blood thinner as well. And also, it can send you to the bathroom, so it can cause diarrhea if taking in a wrong dosage, if it's in an antibiotic, or if you just take too much of it, it could send you to the bathroom. So those are some of the things to look out for turmeric. But I mean, if you want to be healthy and you don't want to take painkillers, because painkillers, any medication that you take from the doctor, your liver and your kidneys have to filter all of that. So it's hard on your liver, it's hard on your kidneys. So if you want to have a painkiller that's healthy, this is the way to go. because it is overall is good for your health. It even fights depression. And I've found that I felt my mood has been a lot better since I've been taking the turmeric as well. And of course, the pain, I'm still astonished on how the pain from my back is gone. So if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you again.